Hagabede bat kakam care sainar hagajaka khappud jongri India bat Bangladesh uba preston tensong ulong bagi babun ki benta jongjing care sainar hagajaka khappud la pensange no shwa amar Sorkar Jylla kesongpia halo kejing care sainar bagan long shadu Pdiang jong kesnong ne kejaka rep jokinong rep uba preston tensong ulong bagi Sorkar bat kisnong hagathan khappud ki Pdiang sobha ban care sainar sha hagajaka khappud nreikin om ailat ban care sainar Pdiang jong kesnong ne kejaka rep Bat Sorkar Jylla kayang scam akanong rim bagi jengker sainar sya kadi benlong hajan zero line jengkedi India bat Bangladesh. Ulong bagi Sorkar Jylla keladap pa daga jingtho sya katanat Home Affairs ke Sorkar Pdiang bagi Pdiang ya ke jengker sainar sya. Ndai kedi benlong marjan bat zero line. Ndai haduk menta ke Sorkar Jylla kam Melayu Pdiang ya kenu jubab nak Sorkar India. Bat kumba kelong menta lapan senge ashwa ya jing temu kier sainar sya kad ba empat dio ke jubab ke basyai kedar na ke Sorkar India.
You know, from our side, our stand is very clear. We wanted to construct fencing. But at the same time, there were issues, there were some problems where the alignment of the fencing sometimes goes beyond the land, agricultural land of the landowner or the clan land or maybe the community land, where sometimes the village administration they oppose it and they'll keep requesting the government of India to kindly consider in such cases, in such portion, that the fencing should go closer to the 0 point. This is what's happening right now, and this concern, even from the state government, we have written a letter to the Ministry of Home Affairs that whatever possible way, we welcome the fencing, but as I said to you again, it should be closer to the 0 point between Bangladesh and India. Even from East Khasi Hills, some stretch is still there. So the total distance I don't know much, but as I said to you, our stand is very clear. We welcome the fencing. Even the villagers in the border area, they welcome the fencing, but the only concern of the landowners or the village authority is they will not at all allow fencing to go from the middle of the village or from the middle of the farm land of the concerned farmers. Therefore, we from the state government also, we have taken it off, this particular issue with the government of India.